Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩 Gaming, and today we're going to review this dustsilver keyboard. Alright, and this is a fully customized keyboard which they reached out to me and asked which kind of model I like, and I find the rabbit one is really interesting and it's the most well designed one, so I'm going for this. And today we're going to take a look at this keyboard right now. We're gonna unbox with you to see what we get. Alright, dustsilver, they made all kinds of keyboard with different designs which are really cool. All these are customized keyboards, so you don't have to headache about customizing it. Alright, so let's see what we received in the keyboard itself. Okay, so the first thing we see is the keyboard, and it looks really pretty. I think this is more suitable for like girl gamer kind, but I mean, as a guy, I love it as well. And it's really nice. Okay, oh my god, it's really nice. Look at this right now, guys. Look at this. It looks so good. Okay, but before we go into the details of the keyboard itself, let's see what else we get inside the box. We got some really cool stickers right here. You can paste it around the keyboard or around your PC. Alright, we do have a guide on how you guys can set up and connect the keyboard itself. And this, I think, is the accessories box, and this is empty. Alright, and I'm pretty sure these are like the cables. All these are inside here, which I am right. And okay, so as you can see, we have a few accessories here. The first thing I love about this is the pink cable. Alright, they make it really suit the whole keyboard theme, which I really love about it. Alright, compared to some other brands where they give you a default cable which is just black in color, this one really matches the theme well, and I love it a lot. So a really nice pink USB-C cable which looks very lengthy and very well made. So yeah, so you can connect to, like, you don't have to worry about like not enough room for the cables. They also have a USB-C to USB-A female, so this one is for you to, let's say if you're using a Mac, because this one also compatible with Mac. So if you're using a Mac, because you're using USB-C to USB-C, then after that you can use this to connect to this, alright, and then this to this, so that you can use it on the Mac as well. So very thoughtful of them. And this one is a keycap puller and the key switcher. So this whole keyboard, you can remove every keycaps, you can customize to your own liking as well, or you can remove the key switches to change to a different key switches for a different feeling, like clicky, tactile, and whatever feel you like. It's all fully it's modular, so you can customize it to your liking. So yeah, so we got all the accessories here for you to customize your own keyboard. But first hand out of the box, this keyboard looks absolutely gorgeous. Alright, I don't think if I'm using this, I don't think I will need to customize it any further, because it's a very well customized keyboard. Look at the size, the whole thing is pink theme. Right, the space bar, everything is like different rabbits, different kind of like emoji kinds one. Looks absolutely nice. Alright, I never have a keyboard that looks so good before. And this one I think can open up. Oh, so we can open up this one. The inside here contains the 2.4 GHz module. You can use it Bluetooth as well, and you can use it wired with the wire itself as well. So there's 3 different modes of connection, so you can connect to multiple devices. Very nice. Alright, and yeah, they do have RGB. Then I'm going to show you the RGB. Right, so let me just do a quick feel on how the keyboard feels. I mean the key clicks. Right. Oh, and they also have this stand at the bottom. So there's different layer. This first layer and second layer. So to the tilt height you prefer. So I go with the maximum. And look at the back. Look at the back design. Right. Everything is really customized to the back. It looks so good. So nice. Okay, so let's just give a quick typing test. And this is literally the kind of keyboard that people use to customize it. The tactile feel, very nice, not very clicky, very tactile, and very feels very nice to type on. They have different options for different kinds of feel of key switches you want. If you want a more clicky one, they do have it as well. Alright, and this one is the I'm not sure what switches is this, but it feels very tactile. Also, this is the red one. I think they have the black one. The black one I think should be the more clickier one or the more silent one. I'm not sure, but this one is a more silent, more tactile one. Alright, and it feels so satisfying to type on it. Even the letter itself is customized. So yeah, you guys can definitely customize this keyboard to your liking if you guys want to customize it further. So right now I'm going to show you the RGB. You can B-roll the RGB and show you guys how good it looks with the RGB lighting. Okay, so this keyboard on your setup looks very clean because you can use it wirelessly. So if you're a guy that hate having wires on your desk, alright, this really is very compact. I think it's a 65% keyboard, so without the additional num key and the keypad. So it's a very compact keyboard that looks great on your desk without any cables. And the pink theme really I'm really into this kind of pink theme. It looks really nice. And this thing has a hot swappable PCB, so if there's something wrong with the PCB or you don't like the PCB inside this, you can easily swap it up. So it's very modular. Removable keycaps, removable key switches, and removable PCB. So the whole thing is modular. You can customize even further, like I said before. So you guys want to check out dustsilver, alright? As I said, they have a lot of different design. Not only this design, but this I find is the most customized design. They also have the rest. Let's say if you like their design, they have a lot of other designs. You guys can check out their website. The link will be in the video description down below. Tons of designs for you to choose from. And yeah, it's a great addition to your desk. And if you guys are you guys love keyboard, love to customize keyboard, I think you guys will definitely check out this their website. They have really tons of really amazing customized keyboards for you guys to take a look at, and definitely get it for yourself, because the keycaps, everything feels so satisfying to use, to type on it. It just feels like a typewriter, old kind of typewriter, but it's a more a more gentle typewriter in my opinion. And so yeah, so you guys want to check out this keyboard, the link once again will be in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. So yeah, so if you guys want me to do more keyboard review videos, let me know in the comment section as well. And if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.